Boom. All right, cool. Oh yeah, we're recording. All right, cool. So I am coming to you guys today because a few months ago I started purchasing cryptocurrencies, trading, just mainly investing, but trading as well because it's pretty entertaining, and there's a lot of good companies out there and startups and different coins that are being created. Anyways, that aside though, I'm making this video because maybe I sent you this video and you're a friend or family, and I've been getting a lot of calls and messages from friends going over like, hey man, how do I purchase or how do I buy cryptocurrencies? What do you like? How do you trade? How do you exchange it? Pretty much mainly how you buy it. It's pretty simple. Honestly, it's super simple actually. So what you're going to do is there's a few different ways. You can go to Coinbase.com or let me see here. There's like Coinmama. There's Coinmama.com. All right, one second. Or Coinmama. This is different because I'm gonna kind of give you guys a little intro. So Coinbase is my usual go-to. It's like the U.S. regulated exchange for cryptocurrencies for the top three. Well, the top most used three for their exchange. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Bitcoin has huge fees, but it is a store of value pretty much for its use case. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency just like Bitcoin, but it's got smart contracts in it, so you can build applications on the blockchain. And so it's like a new version of the internet. So it allows you to program within what Bitcoin's tech has. So it's like Bitcoin plus programming. So that's Ethereum. Low fees, really low fees, like within the cents. Because I remember I first got my first transaction was like Bitcoin. So sent like when I started up with Coinbase, I got a link and I got $10 for purchasing cryptocurrencies. I think I bought Ethereum first, and as I used that Bitcoin, I was like, oh, I want to send it to a different wallet, to an exchange or something, or to my own personal wallet, and sent it, and it was like the $10 worth of Bitcoin, and it was a $3 fee, and I was like, what the? I shouldn't be feed 30 cents, but it's kind of old tech, so it's mainly a store of value until people, update it and stuff. So there's like Bitcoin Cash. There's just different alternatives, but they're not Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Litecoin is the lowest transaction fees currency on here, and so it's 1 cent, penny. It's penny just to send stuff, pretty much. So it might range from like 1 to 2 pennies, but it's the cheapest, and it's also really fast. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, those are the three ones. If your idea is to start trading or to exchange for some different coins, I would just go Litecoin and send it over. Low fees. So, but first initially buying Bitcoin, go to Coinbase, make an account. There's going to be a link below, and that is a referral link, but we'll both get 10 extra bucks worth of Bitcoin whenever you purchase. I think it's like $100 or more, or whatever, Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in general from Coinbase. So boom, there you have it. Coinbase has their kind of own built-in wallet system, but there are different ways to store your cryptocurrency outside of any centralized entity like Coinbase. So there are videos on YouTube. I don't have one. This isn't the video for that. But that's how you purchase cryptocurrency, or Coinmama. I'll have a link below as well. This one, they have fees. They do have fees right now. But Coinmamas are ridiculous. Trust me. When I first got into this and I started purchasing cryptocurrencies, I was buying a lot of crypto. So I ended up going to Coinmama because Coinbase starts you off with limits. Like, say you can only buy $50 with a credit or debit card, and you can have higher limits with lower fees if you do just directly from your bank account, which is awesome. I would recommend that route unless you're wanting to like need it now and trade. But for an investing standpoint, just link your bank account and then purchase it through there. Coinmama, I think they have credit or debit routes, so you just use your debit card, sign up, buy it. But it is at a crazy inflated rate. Well, I'll say crazy inflated. It is an inflated rate. They have different fees, but you don't have really many limits. So you just kind of scroll down, select how much you want. Say you want to grab like, I don't know. Just type it in. You can just type it in if you want. Just type in like like $100 or whatever the heck you're interested in first initially buying of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, and then you buy it, and then it asks you which wallet you want to send it to. After you make your Coinbase account, I would just send it to your Coinbase wallet, and then it'll send it directly to your Coinbase wallet, which is pretty cool. So those are the way to buy cryptos. There's even there's other ones like cex.io, different sites like that, but I don't use those. Those are they get you so hard on the price that I don't want to talk about them. Like, it's just stick to Coinmama and Coinbase. So cryptocurrency marketplace. So go to coinmarketcap.com. Again, all the links are going to be below in this little description. Coinmarketcap.com is going to give you a list of all the current cryptocurrencies that exist. So maybe someone says like, hey man, have you ever seen or heard of IOTA? You could be like, oh, IOTA, okay, IOTA, oh, here we go. I'll click on IOTA. What's this about? Oh, okay, sweet. Oh, it's actually at 84 cents, which is awesome. So you can check out the graph, see what the price action has been. You can go to the markets to see which markets offer it. Bitfinex, Binance. Binance is the one I use the most, and it's the only one that has actually IOTA. But Bitfinex is not like American allowed. So go to Binance, which is the one I would recommend of all. But outside of that, you can check out the currency, see what it's about, go to their site, look into it deeper. It'll load it up. You can learn more. You can read about it as well. So you can do that with all the cryptocurrencies here on CoinMarketCap. Boom. Let me see. CoinMarketCap's out of the way now. So as far as if you don't want to just buy only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin and be limited to that extent, say you go on YouTube, you do some research, you learn about certain currencies that are going to be making a big change in the internet. Say like IOTA, which is the Internet of Things, they're going to be kind of working on the machine-to-machine economy. So you're going to have these free, feeless transactions between like AI. You can also send it as well, but it's going to give devices and machines like cars, phones. It's going to give all machines pretty much identities and allow them to have wallets for this kind of smart economy that we might be turning into. And so that's like one of its use cases. So if you're like, wow, that's really valuable, and it's only 83 cents each, I think that would be a really valuable thing to own from an investing standpoint. That's awesome. Then you can go to CoinMarketCap, find out which exchange it's on, then go to that exchange and make your purchase. And there's going to be a wallet all set up for you there at the exchanges themselves. Again, my favorite exchange and one of the newer ones that's kind of keeping up to date and allowing people to trade with lower fees is the biggest thing for me if you're going to go to an exchange and actively trade, but the fees don't really matter if you're just going to make a purchase. I mean, it does matter. But I go to Binance, this one right here. There's a link below. With Coinbase, Coinmama, and Binance, these are three affiliate or referral links. So it's just that since I use these three, they say, hey, if you share this with people, you can, get a little bonus, and they can get a little bonus. So the links are below if you want to, hook me up or help me out, because other than that, you're really just signing up and really just benefiting just them. But anyways, I'm just trying to bridge the gap and help you guys learn and understand what I'm going through and what I've gone through these past few months as far as trying tons of stuff and finding out what's the most effective and efficient and the best. And so far, this is everything I'm bringing you right now. So if you go here, you follow the link, and then you go to register. You can set up your account with Binance, and you can see right here the Bitcoin markets. This is all the current currencies they do offer and sell, which is huge. If you go to like CoinMarketCap and you look at like, well, Bitcoin, let's just see which markets exist. I mean, obviously it's going to be on every one, but there are a lot of different exchanges, tons of them. Check them out. Bittrex and Binance are my favorites though. So let's see here. Other than that, so I would say Binance and Bittrex, sticks to those, but it really doesn't say like there's not like a specific one I would recommend. I would say go here if you figure out there's a coin or currency you'd like. Say you want to buy some, say NEO. You're like, wow, I need some NEO in my life. Go to the markets. You're like, oh, it's on Bittrex, Binance, Bitfinex, all these markets. Find which one's your favorite. Some of them don't allow but certain people, like certain countries, to sign up. But I use Binance, and that is my favorite one. That and Bittrex. So Bittrex is really weird as far as like kind of just like this old-fashioned feel, whereas like Binance just is active and they constantly have new coins. So it seems like they really care about it, and they have their own coin which reduces the fees on any trades because it's a 0.1% fee whenever you do a trade. And if you are holding the Binance coin, it's like $2 right now. If you're holding that coin, it'll actually reduce the fees to 0.05. So it halves the fees completely, which is awesome because I kind of actively trade within this. And other than that, so we got the tools. So you can buy cryptos at Coinbase, Coinmama. You can check out which crypto it tickles your fancy at CoinMarketCap and check the prices actively on cryptocurrencies right here at CoinMarketCap. Then if you want to go to an exchange to purchase anything other than Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, you can go to Binance or Bittrex or whatever exchange is listing the coin that you're into. Some stuff to look at. My personal favorites, IOTA, Neo, Cardano. Cardano is amazing. And let me see here, just safe route, just buy Bitcoin. And again, this isn't financial advice. Like, I'm just purchasing cryptos and I really like it. Just enjoy cryptocurrencies. So I'm not really sure if I should put like a disclaimer for the sake of YouTube or whatever. I'm just making this video to make it easier for whoever I've talked to or whoever might bump into this about crypto and getting started or set up. There is YouTube channels. This is where I learn. This is where I think it's the best to get unbiased information on the cryptocurrency like marketplace, different coins. I go to, these are my 3 favorite YouTube channels that I go to: the Crypto Lark, Data Dash, and Crypto Daily. Crypto Lark, he does tons of just everything crypto that you can think of. I would recommend going here. You're still like, I want to learn more about Cardano. Boom, he has a video on it for 15 minutes, and he even has a video where he sits down with the creator of it as well. And there's just tons. He's got tons of stuff, beautiful content. He's a great mind, and he is a pure soul. So honestly, if you guys tune into any of his videos, maybe you're like, I want to know about wallets or blah blah blah. He's way ahead of me. So I would say go to Crypto Lark, go to Data Dash, go to Crypto Daily. These are the people I've learned from to be able to understand what cryptocurrencies are, what kind of value they're bringing to the world, and what kind of investments are out there. So that is the crash course for buying cryptocurrencies, seeing their values, exchanging and buying different cryptocurrencies, and YouTube for learning more about wallets and storing your cryptocurrencies as well. So let me see here. We got pretty much the cryptocurrency starter kit. So it's pretty much it. Coinbase, CoinMarketCap, Binance wallets. Whenever you make your accounts for anything, make sure you write down and secure your keys as well. Other than that, I don't want to keep this video way too long. So thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, comment below. If you have anything that's like a comment or not a question, comment below. And hope this helped. Thanks. There's links in the description below as well. But thanks, you guys. Take it easy.